We're here by an Anytec 622 SPD. Let's go on board and go through folding and unfolding the canopy step by step. Start by detaching the starboard and port panels. When pulling the zipper, always use the rope. Makes it much easier. To protect the windows, always fold only in one direction. Put the panels in a storage bag to protect them when stowed. Release and detach the straps. Put the traveler to its bottom position. Detach the front and put the windows on top of the roof. And fold the frames together. Put on the pocket. And put the straps inside. Now we've finished folding the canopy for the 622 SPD. Let's start unfolding it. Start by removing the pocket. Unfold the frames and attach the front. Move the traveler to the lower middle position. Make sure the traveler clicks. Attach and tighten the straps. Continue with the stern panel. Finish with attaching the side panels. Green for starboard and red for port. Now we've finished unfolding the canopy for the Anytec 622 SPD.